Welcome back, beauties! I'm so excited you're here for another creative adventure. Today, we're diving into a galaxy-inspired makeup look that's truly out of this world. Think cosmic colors, shimmering stars, and a touch of magic. Imagine swirling nebulas of pink, purple, and blue, dotted with sparkling stars and glimmering highlights, right on your face, turning you into a living piece of cosmic art. Galaxy makeup is more than just eyeshadow. It's about telling your own story with color, shimmer, and a little bit of stardust. Each brushstroke lets you express your own cosmic creativity. There are no rules, just endless possibilities to explore and play with. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, this look is for everyone who's ready to step outside their comfort zone and try something bold and new. We'll even add a claymation twist for a unique, animated vibe, making your makeup journey even more fun and imaginative. Get ready to blend, glow, and shine like a supernova, letting your inner light burst forth in every color of the cosmos. So, grab your brushes, your boldest palettes, and your sparkliest glitters. Don't be afraid to go all out and experiment with new shades and textures. Let's transform into celestial works of art together, celebrating our creativity and individuality with every stroke. Ready to blast off into a universe of color and sparkle? Let's get started and make some magic. First, prep your skin, cleanse, moisturize, and prime for a flawless, long-lasting base. Primer is key for smoothness and staying power, especially with bold colors. Now, choose your cosmic color story. Deep blues, purples, pinks, and a touch of teal or orange. Grab a palette with rich jewel tones and a mix of mattes, shimmers, and glitters. Metallic or duochrome shadows mimic stardust, while liquid glitter adds twinkling stars. For our claymation twist, have a crisp white liner or face paint ready for graphic stars. Gather your colors and textures. Your universe awaits. Let's build our galaxy. Time to lay the perfect base for our cosmic creation. Every masterpiece begins with a smooth, even canvas, and our journey to the stars is no different. Prepping your skin is essential. Think of it as priming a telescope before gazing into the universe. Apply a medium to full coverage foundation and blend with a damp sponge for a seamless airbrushed finish. Take your time to press and bounce the sponge, ensuring every area is covered and the product melts into your skin for a natural, radiant glow. Brighten under your eyes and high points with concealer, blending for a lifted look. This step not only conceals but also highlights, giving your face dimension and a touch of starlight. Lightly set with translucent powder, focusing on the T-zone. This helps control shine and keeps your foundation in place, so your look stays fresh through every cosmic adventure. Softly sculpt with a cool-toned contour. Think subtle shadows, not harsh lines. Gently sweep the contour under cheekbones, along the jawline, and at the temples for a naturally defined effect. This gentle structure lets our galaxy colors shine. The base is enhanced, not overpowered, so the next steps can truly pop. Lock it all in with setting spray for a skin-like, long-lasting finish. A few spritzes will help your makeup withstand the journey ahead, from stardust to nebula. Let it dry, and you're ready for the real magic, the eyes. Take a moment to admire your work. A flawless base is the secret to any celestial look. Your flawless base is set. Let's paint the stars. Onward to the nebula, where creativity and color collide in a cosmic dance. Now, let's create a swirling galaxy on your eyelids, a look inspired by the breathtaking beauty of nebulas and the sparkling dust of distant stars. Imagine your eyes as a canvas for the cosmos. Start by priming your lids to ensure the colors pop and last all night. Sweep a vibrant pink or fuchsia into the crease, building up that nebula glow with soft, swirling motions. Next, add depth by blending a rich purple onto the outer corner, letting it melt seamlessly into the pink. This creates that dreamy interstellar transition. Deepen the lash line with navy or black shadow, giving your eyes a mysterious cosmic dimension, just like the endless night sky. Blend all the shades together for a seamless, spacey transition. The key is to make the colors flow like swirling stardust across your eyelids. Press a shimmering blue or teal onto the center of your lid to mimic a starburst. This pop of color catches the light and draws all eyes to you. Dab on silver or iridescent glitter for a twinkling stardust effect, as if tiny stars are scattered across your eyes. Highlight the inner corner with a touch of shimmer for extra brightness, making your eyes look wide awake and celestial. Wing your liner for added drama. Then smoke pink and purple along the lower lash line to echo the colors above and tie the look together. Finish with a few coats of mascara, or go bold with dramatic falsies for a mesmerizing out-of-this-world gaze. Your cosmic eyes are now ready to dazzle, shimmering with every blink like a galaxy in motion. Let's bring that starlight to your cheeks and complete your celestial transformation. Sculpt your cheeks with the same pinks and purples for a harmonious, ethereal flush. Highlight with an iridescent or duochrome shimmer. Think purple, blue or pink reflect. Layer for a multi-dimensional starlit glow. Dot white liquid liner or face paint across your nose and cheeks for cosmic freckles. Vary size for a natural effect. Add a few graphic starbursts for that claymation pop. Top with silver or holographic glitter for extra sparkle. Your cheeks are now a constellation of light. Time for the final frontier lips. For lips, go bold with a galaxy ombre. Line and fill lips with deep purple or blue liner. Apply matching lipstick, then tap bright pink or fuchsia in the center for a nebula effect. Blend edges for a seamless ombre. Press holographic or silver shimmer onto the center for cosmic shine. Top with clear gloss for a luscious, multi-dimensional finish. Add a tiny white star with liner for a playful claymation touch. Your galactic lips are ready for a cosmic kiss. Let's see the full transformation. You did it! Your galaxy glam is complete. Eyes, cheeks, lips, all shining like the night sky. Remember, makeup is about creativity and fun. Make this look your own. Try new colors, add more stars, or paint tiny planets. There are no limits. Don't stress about perfection. Every attempt is a step in your creative journey. Share your cosmic looks and inspire others to unleash their inner artist. Whether for a party or just for fun, wear your galaxy with confidence. Thanks for joining this cosmic adventure. Keep shining and creating. Until next time, stay stellar.